kanino ka sa cast, hindi mo matansya yung personality kasi hindi mo pa masyadong kilala?
Actually with you, sa first impression lang naman ako na, yung parang before pa kita ma-meet, ang dami ko nung inaano na parang, shocks, kaya ko kaya siyang i-joke-joke, yung mga ganon. But then when I met you, parang super chill. Actually, naging super comfortable ako kasi after I met you. So, also with you, hindi ko in-expect. But yun. And then, siguro, yung pinaka hindi ko matansya yung ugali, Kokoy.
Really?
Nung nasa Korea.
Wait, wala ba kayong
previous work
encounters
experience?
ni Kokoy prior?
Wala.
Zero din.
Hindi ko siya kilala. Doon ko siya na-meet. Tapos parang, actually, fun fact, again, ang dami fun fact. Meron kaming, parang na-out kaming dalawa sa isang challenge. Yung parang pukpukan ng ulo na, yung cham-cham-cham. Cham-cham-cham, ganon. Tanggal kami. So, we had to go to the location by ourselves. Hindi na kami kasama dun sa train.
Oh my gosh.
Pero may, ginaid naman nila kami. So, nasa van kami. Tapos, nagkukuntuhan lang kami ng random stuff. Pero meron pa ding,
Ilang
meron, kasi parang di ko matansya kaya yung, niya, yung ugali niya, yung vibe niya. Tapos, throughout the whole Korean, hindi ko siya matansya. Until makabalik tayo dito sa...
Wow, that's so interesting though. Kasi, you guys were together for parang...
6 weeks, 7
6
weeks?
weeks. And I think a lot of people don't understand na yung dynamic kasi when you're working. Although, it's fun and games, nagbabonding, syempre nasa isip nyo, work pa din. Diba? And, I don't know, I guess, it does take time for people to really build a bond.
Oo eh.
It does take time. And sana, sa season 2, pag meron,
Oo nga.
sana mas makita na natin yung bond nyo ngayon.
I think naman.
I
Kasi
think
mas
so.
nakapag-bond din naman tayong lahat dito sa Pilipinas.
Mga saling pusa na runner, ako na yun.
Yeah.
Laging kasama.
Yes. At saka, sana nga mag-guest ko ulit eh. If magkakaroon.
Sana
No?
nga. Sana.
Special,
OMG. Would you like me to be a guest again?
No nga eh. Surprise ulit, pwede.
No? Surprise.
Ikaw yung
Tapos
zombie.
iiyak ka na naman.
Ikaw yung zombie.
Tapos bibigyan ka namin ng mga ilang minutes, mga 20 minutes na space para makapag...
Teka lang, mag-emote mo na si Cap.
Inaabangan ko pa naman yung zombie challenge.
Yes!
Favorite ko talaga
Gusto
yun.
ko din yun.
At hindi nyo pa nagagawa. Malay nyo, habang ginagawa nyo, if ever na meron, ako nga yung zombie na lalabas at sasabihin ko, fu-fu.
Iiyak ako.
Iiyak ka na habang inahabol.
Paano yan?
Hindi niya alam gagawin niya. Kung lalapit ba siya.
Mapayakap ako sa'yo.
Oo.
Totoo.
Diyos ko.
Okay, wait. So,
Ano sa mga ba tayo?
I just really want to know what you're thinking also dun sa first impressions as a group. Kasi I had the same apprehensions eh. So, sinasabi mo nga kanina, was you weren't sure if we were going to be funny or entertaining. So, ano yung mga internal thoughts? Kasi we've talked a lot about work. And we talk about drama, our craft. Sometimes may pagka-overthinker tayo and we're like overthinking, okay, kaya ko ba to? Am I gonna be good? Pero ito, going into Running Man, we were doing it as a group.
Yeah.
And nakakatawa na you just shared na may pagdududa ka rin sa capabilities natin as a group. So what was that? Like, can you explain parang what are the other thoughts that you had regarding our group and apprehensions?
Well, at first, andun yun nga yung pressure. And then, at the same time na parang, shucks, magkakasundo-sundo kaya kami. Yun yung pinaka-worry ko. Kasi pinapanood ko yung Korean version. Ay ko, shucks, very parang magkakabarkada lang sila. Parang family na sila. Sinubo nung isa, susubo pa nung isa. Yung ganong level.
Ano sinusubo?
Ay, hindi, food. Yung, di ba, yung food.
Salo.
Kasi
may mga food. Sorry.
Sinusubo yung food.
Ayaw, sinusubo yung food. Sinusubo nung isa, yung food, das, walang, yung isa, alam mo yun, parang walang apprehensions, walang inhibitions.
Oo.
So, yun yung iniisip ko na, shucks, kaya ba namin yun? Like, with you. Tapos si Ruro, kilala ko naman si Ruro, pero not on a level na
Chummy-chummy.
Oo, Hindi. So, parang, shucks, paano kaya?
Yung at a level na yung pagkain na nasubo mo,
isusubo niya na okay lang yung gano'n. O kaya yung paanong isa nakadikit na sa mukha nung isa. Yung, di ba, yung mga ganong levels. Or pawis na pawis, sayayakapin mo para makuha yung name tag. May mga ganong levels eh. So parang yun yung worries ko, no? Na parang, shucks. Baka kasi, yakapin ko bigla si Kokoy na pawis ako. Tapos, payak!
Okay.
Kadiri!
Pagdating sa Running Man, ano yung ginawa mo specifically para slowly magbago yan or slowly mas maging komportable kayo sa isa't isa?
Yeah, was there anything that you did specifically
like,
during our time together?
Meron ka bang ginawa na super out of this world para lang ma-break yung ice?
Or hindi naman, nag-chill ka lang?
Wala. Parang sumasama lang every time mag-message kayo, G. Pero nandun pa din yung parang shocks, ko. Kaya nga nung first time na inaayan nyo, kung tara, dito kami sa baba, ayoko pa bumaba. Parang shocks, ayoko sumama.
Saan tayo pumunta nun?
Kumain tayo nun. Dun lang.
Chicken. Yung sa chicken shop ba yun? Hindi ko na maalala.
Parang yung Korean siya, tapos yung asawa niya Pinay.
Shoot, hindi ko na maalala. Okay, but anyway. I want to know, given that first impression, was there ever a point na naging aware ka during our time in Korea na, oh my God, parang nag-work to? Or parang nag-gel tayo? Like, meron ka? Okay,
meron.
Gusto ko malaman yun.
Parang awakening na parang, okay
Parang meron to
Parang,
may vibe.
Everyone's like working with each other, super chill lang, like whatever joke or ano. Tapos si Buboy din madalas yung nag-i-initiate talaga nung kanal humor. Na parang pag inumpisa na niya, lahat nagiging comfortable na to say anything.
Yeah. Okay. So, kailan yun? Was there a moment or an episode or parang a time na you remember?
Parang nag-click lang
naramdaman
talaga.
mo yun?
Na nag-click? I think it was yung tinatapon tayo sa pool. Doon na lumabas yung lahat ng yun din yung kawawa ako eh. So parang, doon ko na feel yung parang, tapos kahit na muntik na akong malunod, nakainom ako ng isang galonata ng water doon sa pool. Tawang-tawa pa din sila. So parang sabi ko, okay
So ikaw pala yung naging sacrificial lamb natin.
Nung first lang naman.
Alam mo, I had that on my notes. Kasi, I was wondering kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi kahit ikaw yung laging yun nga, nakahagis dun sa pool, mukhang masakit eh. Alam natin masakit.
Anong slice?
Kasi parang may lunod factor siya.
At yun nga, nakainom ka pag di ka ready eh.
Oo, nakainom ka na ng isang galon ng tubig na may chlorine eh. So,
na pinaglulubo-lubo ng lahat.
Diba? You just mentioned na that was a time na nasabi mo, may something. Pero was there also another thought in your head na say, grabe to, kakayanin ko ba to? Like, may ganun ba? Or hindi? You're ready ka to fight?
Parang ready naman ako. Parang, okay, parang na-survive ko siya. Nung after, tas all of you, actually, doon ko din na-feel na, okay, so they're also here for me. Kasi after kung lahat sila nandun eh, para salubungin ako to get up to parang, okay ka lang. Tapos ikaw din, parang, okay ka lang. Everyone was so, na parang,
attentive.
Tawa, pero we're looking after you.